guys, welcome back to the VeeHive. Well, today I told you I was going to bring you our breakfast coffee station because I told you I moved the coffee station from off of our countertops in our kitchen because it was overwhelming me. Having that much of stuff on the kitchen counter, it was just too much for me. So guys, I brought it back into my breakfast room, did a little bit more to it, because the kids love cereal, they forever drinking orange juice, they love the Belgian waffles, and they also go to the coffee pot. So guys, I decided to create just a little space there that will incorporate them to just go and grab something, get orange juice, get a waffle or whatever, and that can be a quick breakfast. So guys, I am going to take you into this space. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you close to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? I do from home decor, shop with me, new trends. I am an H&M queen. I love H&M, so I do a lot of H&M hauls. And guys, I am a school teacher, so therefore this school year is coming up, so I will be giving you lots of content as being a teacher. So guys, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because your girl over here in the VeeHive will be doing uploads and I don't want you to miss any of them. So go ahead, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Now I have a let's talk to me. So let's talk about it. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a run through of things that's on our bar. That is for our convenience. So here I have my Keurig coffee maker, and this is the Sleek Llama. I think this is like the last ones that came out that are the minis. So I do have this black one. I also have a pink one in my office, followed by a striped coffee mug, black and white, Hobby Lobby. I do have the coffee little tin, and that is also Hobby Lobby. And Life Water, the reason why I got this Life Water, one of them is for immune system, and you know your girl fights with immune system issues, and the other one is to balance the pH in your body. So they're very good to make coffee, tea, or whatever that they need to make inside here. Inside this is my pod holder, so we have different types of teas, coffees, and all inside the tray. Then, guys, this is some of the things that they like. Some of the sweeteners and all of the tall bottles back here. And this one, it came from Home Goods. Well, I think these came from Home Goods also. Nope, those came from Ross Department Store. That was something my daughter picked up. It's the strawberry and the mango. So that's something that she wanted. And these are the coffee flavors, and it's by Starbucks. The caramel, hazelnut, and vanilla. So right up under here, I have more of the black and white mugs. And right here, I just put a little slider, and those are those yummy Belgian waffles. They're so good, guys. And they also come in chocolate chip. So I have that here. And these risers, I did have a 3-tier riser. I decided to take that one out because these are made of metal. These came from Marshall's for like $7 a piece. So I got 2 of them, and I zigzag it. So it's absolutely perfect. I like it. I can slide it in and out if I need to. So I do like that very much so. So I do have 2 of those. Then this drink dispenser came from Five Below. I absolutely love it. I've had no issues with it. It comes along with the stand. So this is a perfect thing for my little guys. Then this is a flower that I purchased when we first moved into home. I always buy a plant when we first move into a home so the plant can grow as we grow inside the home. So that is our plant that has been growing. I see I have a new little swig up here. And it's been growing with us ever since we've been here. So the plant has been doing pretty good. I have transplanted twice. So it is doing very, very well. So the next thing, this little tray, guys, this is a cutting board, and I just got it. It came from Walmart. It was very inexpensive, I think like 97 cents, but it's to catch anybody that gets juice or whatever I have in there. If it drip, it would not go on the wood. It will just go on this and makes it a much easier clean. And this, guys, the cereal dispensers. I fill this thing up so many times out of a week because my kids, especially my oldest one, Javante, he loves cereal. Oh my goodness. If I buy 20 bags of cereal, boxes of cereal in the groceries, you better believe he would eat at least 17 of them. He loves cereal. So here is the oat cereal, and this is the O's. I grew up on O's, and my kids love O's also. And I also love Cheerios. I don't buy Cheerios that often because that's like a me cereal and Golden Grams. Yes, girl, Golden Grams, Cheerios, Rice Krispies, that is me. I love it. So guys, this is our setup. It's one thing that I forgot to put up on here that I am going to go ahead and add. And that is these cups. I usually take these cups and add them on here. That's where it's easy for them to just grab a cup, and I make sure they're always sanitized. And also I do have the creamer, the sugar dish, so I can stick that right here. So I can just stick that there. So the last thing is, guys, I did not change my pictures because it's still incorporating the black and white for the space. I just add my cafe, open 24 hours. It was black and white. was perfect and matched the area. So guys, this is our breakfast coffee juice cereal bar. So this is what it looks like, and of course guys, my kids, you give it to about 7 o'clock tonight, about a good 70% of this will be gone. That is my kids. So guys, I'm gonna bring you closer. Also, I'll have some photos.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving.
So guys, what did you think? Well, our station incorporates everything that everyone at home loves. The kids absolutely love cereal. Hubby and the kids also love juice. And also the Belgian waffles. I'm gonna have to take that for myself because I absolutely love those Belgian waffles. And of course, I am a coffee girl. I did not add my frother on the station. I will be bringing that back closer to the fall winter, and also my coffee press. So I took those things off for right now, but of course, you know, it will be back because I don't know, I might bring a complete breakfast station back in the kitchen for the fall. So I'm not completely sure, but as of right now, this is what it looks like. So hopefully you did enjoy this. If it's some of the things that you do add onto your bar, leave it down in the comments. And if it's something different that you think I should add, you know what to do. Add it in the comments. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time guys, bye.
To me, it's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I